Welcome to Paul's Tool Review, Harbor Freight Deal Alert for September 2020 and beyond. To begin with, I have 12 coupons and deals expiring September 7th, just in time for Labor Day weekend. The first of these is the Pittsburgh 3-ton heavy-duty rapid pump floor jack for $95. No coupon necessary. This works both in the store and online. Keeping with the automotive theme, next is a Pittsburgh Automotive rapid pump 1.5-ton lightweight aluminum floor jack for $60. Next I have a Bauer 8.5 amp quartered half-inch heavy-duty extreme torque impact wrench for $90. Next item is a Pittsburgh half-inch drive 25-inch professional breaker bar for $15. No coupon necessary. I actually have one of these and I think it's great. So far so good. No issues whatsoever. Next is a Pittsburgh half-inch drive impact deep socket set for $20. You have your choice of SAE or metric and a lifetime warranty. Keep in mind this set does have some skips, so if that bothers you, you may have to buy the missing sizes separately. But overall, it's a really good set and good value. Even better is no coupon necessary. Next is a Bauer 6-inch heavy-duty dual-action variable speed polisher for $60. The next item for sale with the coupon code is the Chicago Electric Blue Design Auto Darkening Welding Helmet for $40. Next is a Tailgater 900-watt gas-powered generator for $110. Next is an underrated item, and that's the Chicago Electric 6-amp heavy-duty variable speed reciprocating saw for $20. This is a great saw. Ditch the blade that it comes with. Get yourself a good blade. And for $20, you can't beat this. And best part on this one is no coupon needed for Labor Day weekend. Next, I have some Hallmaster assorted length elastic stretch cords, 12 pieces for $4. Next, no coupon necessary item is a large tilt flat panel TV mount for $15. And finally, we come to the last item for the Labor Day weekend sale, and that is the electronic fly and insect swatter for $3. I have one coupon expiring on September 13th, and that's a free with purchase of any Predator generator STP 32-ounce 4-cycle oil 10W30. I found 4 coupons that will be expiring on September 24th. The first of these is the Pittsburgh Rapid Pump 3-ton steel heavy-duty floor jack for $90. Next is the Pittsburgh Click-type torque wrenches for $10. It comes in 1/4-inch drive, 3/8-inch drive, and 1/2-inch drive. I've had one now for several months and it works great. Seems pretty accurate and no issues so far. One of the things I like about the Pittsburgh torque wrenches is the lifetime warranty. If it ever comes out of calibration or it breaks for some reason, you just grab the thing and take it back to the store and they will hand you another one. Next is a beast of a generator, and that is the Predator 9,000 watt long life gas powered generator for $600. But please read the fine print. It does not come with the wheel kit and battery, so you're looking at probably another $80 if you want to look like as pictured. And if you do get this, go back and use that coupon for the free oil, because you're going to need that too. And the last of the coupons expiring on September 24th is the Pittsburgh 6-inch digital caliper for $10. Next, I have 20 coupons that will expire at the end of September. The first in the series is the Pittsburgh Rapid Pump 3-ton steel heavy-duty low-profile floor jack for $100. Next, I have a significantly better jack, and that's the Daytona 4-ton professional rapid pump floor jack for $160. However, if you need the low-profile jack, go back and get that Pittsburgh low-profile jack for $100. If you're trying to lift up a vehicle that's close to 4 tons, you're probably not worrying so much about having a low-profile jack. Next, I have an Earthquake 1/2-inch composite extreme torque air impact wrench for $100. Next is a 20% off general coupon. Make sure you read the fine print because you can't use this on floor jacks and storage cabinets, but it works great on Pittsburgh Pro hand tools, and that's where I mostly use this type of coupon for. Now, if you are looking to buy some Icon storage units, I do have a specific 20% off coupon just for that. Keeping with the storage item theme, next is a $40 off any Yukon mobile storage cabinet. The next coupon I have is a Hallmaster 800-pound capacity heavy-duty hand truck for $40. The next coupon I have is a Franklin 14 foot, 250-pound capacity portable telescoping ladder, or a 17-foot multitask ladder for $100. The next coupon is a Portland 9.5-inch 7-amp quarter electric pole saw for $60. This is a great little saw for $60 and hard to beat for the price. The next item is a Portland 1750 psi quartered electric pressure washer for $80. Next is a Braun 5000 lumen 4-foot LED hanging shop light for $20. Next I have a Hallmaster solid rubber wheel chock for $5. The next group of coupon items used to be free, but now they're all under $1. And the first of these is the Pittsburgh Automotive 4-inch magnetic parts holder for 63 cents. Next is a 12 by 12 microfiber cleaning cloths pack of 4 for 69 cents. I go through a ton of these, and for 69 cents, it's a no-brainer. There is a limit, though. You can only get 3 per coupon. Next is an ultra-bright LED portable Worklight flashlight for just 89 cents, limit 3. Now, later on, I have a coupon where you can get one of these for free with any purchase, but if you don't use that one, or if you already used it, then you can buy each of these for 89 cents up to 3 times with this coupon. Next, I have a Pittsburgh 1-inch by 25-foot QuikFind tape measure for just 98 cents. Next is the 5x7 all-purpose weather-resistant tarp for just 97 cents. Next is a 3.5-inch super bright aluminum flashlight for just 59 cents. Next is the swivel lens headlamp for just 89 cents. And lastly is the multi-purpose scissors for just 39 cents. I have one coupon expiring on October 11th, and that's the Braun 390 lumen magnetic slim bar LED Worklight for $27. Next, I have 3 coupons expiring on December 31st. The first of these is the US General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart for $190. This is going to be the best price. It comes in 7 different colors, and I doubt we'll see a better price on this item. Next is a 20% off super coupon with all those restrictions that we're already familiar with. And lastly is the free with any purchase super bright LED Worklight flashlight. The next group of coupons have no expiration date. So this one is a $5 off any Pittsburgh Pro ratchet. Next we have a $10 off any earthquake impact wrench. The next coupon is a $10 off any Hercules 20-volt toolkit. And the last coupon is $5 off any Hercules 12-inch miter saw blade. This concludes my Harbor Freight deal alert for September 2020 and beyond. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. If you know of other great deals at the freight worth mentioning, better coupons, recommended products, or suggestions, just leave a non-offensive comment below.